So this is actually a very useful Samsung keyboard feature that you must definitely know if you are using a Samsung phone. So let's say that you have some type of text, right? So basically you can see a text in this. Whenever you want to scan this text, you normally open up your camera over here, then you open and turn on your camera access, you go ahead and then click the photo of this specific one. Then after you open the photo, you'll find the text option over here in order to be able to scan and then copy this text. Well, let me tell you that right now you don't need to click the photo at all, because if you're chatting with somebody, let's say I'm talking to someone on Telegram, let me open Telegram, and then if I just select any people over here, right, once I select any of the people over here and then I just open up my Samsung keyboard, I have the ability to scan this text which is in this box over here without having to use the camera app. So for that, what I need to do is I just need to tap these three dots as long as you're using a Samsung keyboard, and then here you will find the option called extract text. So all you need to do is basically just click the extract text button. Now you need to place this text right in front of your camera, right, and automatically it is going to recognize the text and then copy and paste it inside of your keyboard without having to do anything. Now this is really amazing feature from Samsung themselves. We don't need to use the camera app. As long as you have this, you can automatically copy paste the images and then send it to that specific person after making the required changes. And this is one of the best and most underrated feature on your Samsung keyboards that you must be actually underestimating. I hope this video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.